Hello children, in the continuation of the previous video in which I showed you all the different types of simple machine, this pulley was left to be discussed. Just see the pulley. This boy is holding one rope and the disc shape which you can see, this is a fixed pulley, and just see the rope, it is tied with this bucket. This type of pulley you must have noticed at the time of flag hoisting, and when you go to the hill station, there at the ropeway you must have experienced this type of pulley. So this is the last which was left to be discussed, that is pulley. So here once again I will show you the simple machine. We have 6 different type of simple machine. The first one is lever. Lever are of 3 different classes: class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. Already I had explained about the lever. The second is inclined plane, which is a sloping surface. Wedge, something is very sharp. Screw, pulley, wheel and axle. One more example of wheel and axle I would like to give, that is the steering wheel, the steering of car. Now that is also example of wheel and axle. The rod is axle and the wheel which we hold when we drive the car, it is a wheel, and the rod which is already attached with it, that is axle. It is also the example of wheel and axle. Okay children. The next is functions of machine. So I will tell you about the different functions. The first is lifting heavy load by applying less effort. I'll give you one example. A jack is used to lift a car. Car is very heavy and the application of jack is used when we want to lift the car, and a bar is used to lift a heavy stone. So this function, lifting heavy load by applying less effort. The second is changing the point of application of force to convenient point. The point is convenient, then only you are able to changing the point of application. If we change the point of application, the force in a convenient to a convenient point. I'll give you one example. The wheel of a bicycle is rotated with the help of a chain by applying force on the pedal. Okay, understood? When we give force, when we apply force on pedal, then only the wheel rotate. Next is changing the direction of force applied to convenient direction. If the direction is convenient. One more example I would like to give you. Pulley. Using pulley, force is applied to the downward. As I showed you, the bucket is hanging downward, and what happened when the force is applied to the downward direction instead of upward direction? Only downward direction we use instead of upward direction, because the downward direction is more convenient. The last one is obtaining work with lesser application of force. We have to apply less force. How come? One more example. While using a pair of scissors, we need to move its handle a little and its blades move longer on cloth to cut it. So this is that only, obtaining work with lesser application of force. Understood? So these are the 4 points which we can say the function of machines. The next is terms related to machine. In my first video, I have showed you about the different terms related: load, effort and fulcrum. What is load? It is the opposing force. The load is opposing force which is to be overcome by machine. We use machine to overcome the load, and the load is denoted by L. The next is effort. It is the force applied on the machine. It is force applied on the machine to overcome the load or to do mechanical work, and it is denoted by E. E effort. L load, E effort. The last one is fulcrum. It is a fixed point about which the machine can turn while doing mechanical work or to overcome load. It is denoted by F. Understood? It is denoted by F. Load L, effort E, and fulcrum F. Understood, children?